Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Today we have Mercedes-Benz 2015. Here is the car. This is the car 2015 and it is CLA 250 4MATIC. We have a problem with this car is that we're using X-Century to diagnose this car. The problem in this car is that, look here, maybe it's gonna start now, may not. Look, see, it cut off. Doesn't want to start again. Take the key out, nothing. You push the button, push the brake, it doesn't want to do it, you see? Sometimes it starts, sometimes not. Not because the battery is dead. Look the light there. It's very strong light, you see? But the problem is, it happened by the buttons. When we put the button inside, it doesn't want to work. With the button, it doesn't want to work. So we try using the direct key inside. Sometimes work, sometimes it doesn't work. When we come and use and diagnose the car, we found this code here. We say U010187 communication with the control unit transmission has malfunctioned. But if you go to the bottom one, the same one, communication with the electronic selector level module has malfunctioned. And when we try to check all the data, we are missing actually that I'm gonna clear the code now. Hopefully it's gonna clear. Switch ignition off for 5 seconds. Ignition is off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me turn the ignition on. Now clear the fault. You see now I don't have no fault. Maybe it will work now. Let me go back. I want to go to the transmission. The transmission have no fault. Let me go down a little bit for transmission.
Missy, some change for some tape.
Transmission. Okay, hold on. We come back here. That's the transmission. Control module. I'm reading it. Ignition is on. This is the transmission. I want to see the error code. Ignition is on. Ignition is on. You see the monitoring function in the control unit has malfunction. So let me see what mean that. Control unit specifications. Wow, I'm not sure, but there are something that are not available. But I'm getting this code too. The problem is, before you can get data, you can get codes that you can look at it and see what happened, but I don't see it here. If you have ability of getting, okay, I'm gonna close this. This is a version. If you have the ability of getting the software original for Mercedes-Benz, not this one, they don't use it, or this is a Chinese one or anything, or just an aftermarket, believe me, it's better because it can give you all the information. Drive authorized initialized? No. Drive authorization personalized? No. Drive authorization activated? Yes. So is that because of this? But what I know is drive authorization start enable. No. Why is not start enable? Because of the transmission. The transmission rate sensor is not sending correct signal to the car. And and that is very weird. So anyhow, in this car, we just realized that the problem was the shift control module is not good. I'm gonna leave this one out for a little while. Take the key on. I'm gonna leave this one a little bit. Take the ignition out, wait a little bit. Maybe it's gonna work, but we know that we have a problem with engine control, steering shift control module is not there. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic, and you already have the codes that we already spoke about it. Let me go to the code. Thank you. Here. We're gonna get the code now. Let me go to the code. No code now, but if the car starts, we will get some codes here. I don't have no start or replace. So when I say let me have what I have. No, I don't want to do that. You believe that if you change the star, you have to program it? That's funny. Okay. Anyhow, thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. In this car, those code we have it. We're talking about shift control module is not communicating. We're gonna go to look at the shift control module, what happened to it. We may have to put another one, program it, and we take it from there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share, and see you in another video.